Bob Maximchuk, and welcome to Concepts in Leadership. Today's topic, the Law of the Big Mo. The Law of the Big Mo tells us that momentum is a leader's best friend, which takes me immediately to physics, and if we look at a simplified statement of Newton's first law of motion, a body at rest will remain at rest. A body in motion will remain in motion unless it's acted upon by an external force. We must realize as leaders, we are that external force. How can you make a change if you're not applying force to the system or the project or the thing you're trying to do? How can you improve your team if you're not applying an external pressure to help them improve? As a leader, you are that external force. So momentum begins in you, the leader, and spreads outward from there. The leader's force is what drives momentum. So where does that force come from? It starts with vision and passion, enthusiasm and energy. Eleanor Doane said, "You cannot kindle a fire in any other heart until it is burning within your own." Another way to say that is you can't give what you don't have. Going back to the physics analogy, we know that momentum is mass times velocity. But Kenneth Aka took a different view of this equation, especially as it relates to leadership. He said that momentum equals achievement times velocity. Now what he means here is if you have a lot of achievements, your momentum goes up. Or if you have a lot of speed in which you're achieving things, you're doing things fast, that drives up your momentum. Or any balance between the two. You have a few achievements, but they're coming out fast. Or you have a lot of achievements, but it's coming out a little slower. All of that increases your momentum. What this tells us is we have two levers that we get to operate to drive the big mo, and that's our achievements and our velocity. So as you try to keep your momentum going, remember there are other forces that may be holding you back. We'll refer to those as friction. In organizational terms, friction are the demotivating factors that affect people. People are demotivated by micromanagement, not being treated as humans, being treated as just part of the machine, leadership that's inconsistent or lack of leadership, poor communications, or no clear vision of the future for them. There's one other caveat you need to have when applying the law of the big mo. Momentum is a great exaggerator, or a multiplier if you would, but that can become positive or negative. We've talked about how you make it positive by increasing your achievements and or velocity of those achievements. But remember, if you slow down too slow, your velocity drops. Or if your achievements fail or there aren't very many, that will drop your momentum. So always remember to keep momentum as your best friend.